Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Easy English Learning. In this video, you are going to listen to two friends talking about their beautiful beach day. You will learn the most common and useful beach vocabulary from their conversation. Listen carefully and answer the question, why isn't today the best day for surfing?
Wow, Lisa! It's a beautiful day at the beach!
It really is. The weather is warm and sunny. I'm so happy we came to this beach in Florida.
Me too! Hey, Lisa, you look ready for a beach vacation.
Thank you. I'm wearing my favorite bikini. It's colorful, comfortable, and perfect for a sunny day.
It looks great! What are you carrying?
I'm carrying a beach blanket and a book. First, I'm going to spread the blanket on the sand. Then I'm going to lie down, read my book, and enjoy the sunshine.
Sounds relaxing. Do you like sunbathing?
Yes, I love sunbathing. I want to get a nice tan. I think a tan makes me look more beautiful and healthier.
That sounds nice, but the sun is very strong today.
I know. That's why I'm wearing a beach hat and sunglasses. I'm also wearing sunscreen to protect my skin from the sun's harmful UV rays.
Good idea. You don't want to get sunburned.
Exactly. I want to enjoy the sunshine, but I don't want my skin to burn.
You're well prepared.
Thanks. What about you, Tony? Why are you wearing a long-sleeve wetsuit?
I'm wearing this surfing wetsuit because I want to go surfing today. The wetsuit helps protect my skin from the strong sun.
Does it protect you from anything else?
Yes, it can also give me some protection from jellyfish stings.
That's useful. And you're carrying a surfboard.
That's right. I'm carrying my surfboard because I'm hoping to catch some good waves today.
I can't wait to watch you surf.
And I can't wait to see you relaxing on your beach blanket.
Oh, and look at our feet. I'm wearing flip-flops, but you're walking barefoot.
Yes, I love walking barefoot on the soft sand. It feels relaxing.
Just watch out for shells and crabs.
Don't worry, I'm watching where I step.
Tony, look at this view. The beach is breathtakingly beautiful.
You're right. The beach is so long and wide. There's plenty of space for everyone.
And look at those palm trees along the beach. They make this place look like a tropical paradise.
Yes, the palm trees are beautiful. I can also see lots of shells on the sand.
Oh, look! There's a little crab near that shell.
I see it. It's walking sideways.
That's so cute.
Look up, Lisa. There are some seagulls flying in the sky.
They're flying over the ocean. I can hear them calling.
The ocean looks peaceful today.
Yes, the waves are mild. They aren't very big or strong.
That means today may not be the best day for surfing.
Why not?
Because surfers usually need bigger and stronger waves. Mild waves are safer, but they may not be exciting enough for surfing.
I understand. So it's not the perfect day for surfing.
Maybe not, but I'm still gonna try.
And the mild waves make today a great day for swimming and relaxing.
That's true.
For me, This is the perfect weather for sunbathing. The sky is clear, the sun is shining, and there's a gentle breeze.
You really love sunbathing, don't you?
I do, but I'll remember to use sunscreen and stay safe.
Look around, Lisa. There are so many people doing different activities.
Yes, everyone is having fun in their own way.
Over there, some people are buying ice creams.
And those people are drinking fresh fruit juices. A cold drink sounds wonderful on a hot day.
Maybe we can get some juice later.
Great idea.
Look, those people are wearing life jackets.
They're getting ready to go jet skiing.
Jet skiing looks fast and exciting.
Yes, but they need to wear life jackets to stay safe.
Safety first.
What are those people doing near the water?
They're getting ready to go snorkeling.
I can see their diving masks, snorkel tubes, and swim fins.
A diving mask helps them see underwater. The snorkel tube helps them breathe while their faces are in the water.
And the swim fins help them move through the water more easily.
Maybe we can go snorkeling another day.
I'd love that.
Look at those children. They're playing in the sand.
They're building sand castles.
Their sandcastle is huge.
Yes, they're using buckets and small shovels. They look like they're having a lot of fun.
The beach is a great place for people of all ages.
You can swim, surf, sunbathe, snorkel, play in the sand, or simply relax.
That's why I love the beach.
Well, Lisa, I think it's time for me to go surfing.
Even though the waves are mild?
Yes, the waves may not be perfect, but I'm still gonna have fun.
Great! Be careful and enjoy the waves.
Thanks. What are you gonna do?
I'm going to spread my beach blanket on the sand. Then I'm going to put on more sunscreen, lie down, and read my book.
Are you gonna sunbathe too?
Of course! I'm going to enjoy the warm sunshine and the beautiful ocean view.
That sounds peaceful.
And after surfing, you can come and relax with me.
Deal. Maybe we can get some ice cream and fresh fruit juice afterward.
Perfect! Have fun surfing, Tony.
Enjoy your book in the sunshine, Lisa.
I will. Have a great time.
See you later.
See ya.
Have you found the answer? Let me mention the question one more time. Why isn't today the best day for surfing? If you know the answer, write it in the comment section. If you'd like to see more video like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.